You ever wonder why unconditional love feels like a fairy tale? Like everyone talks about it, posts, quotes about it, but barely anyone lives it. Let's talk about the real reason, and it's not what you think. Unconditional love is rare, not because people are bad, but because most of us have never met ourselves fully. Nobody can offer what they have never received, and most of us didn't grow up in spaces where love was steady, calm, and safe. We grew up learning that love depends on something like being good, being useful, being quiet, being strong, and list goes on. So we carry that into adulthood, and without even realizing, we start loving with fear, fear of being replaced, fear of being abandoned, fear of not being enough, fear of losing the little love we managed to get. Unconditional love can't survive in fear. It needs presence. It needs emotional maturity. It needs someone who has met their wounds instead of burying them. See, people don't fail at love because they don't care. They fail because they are battling invisible battles inside them. And when someone is drowning, they don't have the capacity to hold another person. That's why unconditional love feels rare. Not because it's impossible, it requires an inner honesty most people are terrified of. To love unconditionally, you must be willing to sit with your own darkness, your own jealousy, your own triggers, your own childhood ache, your own fear of losing someone. You must learn to stay, not because the other person deserves it every moment, but because you have built a stable home inside yourself. Unconditional love doesn't mean tolerating disrespect. It doesn't mean losing yourself for someone. It means this: I can see your flaws without making them my pain. I can love you without abandoning myself. And if I have to walk away, I will still love you from a distance. That kind of love is rare because it requires inner strength, not attachment. It requires boundaries, not desperation. It requires knowing yourself so deeply that loving someone doesn't mean losing your center. And here is the healing truth: unconditional love isn't something you find, it's something you become. And when you embody it, you naturally attract people with the same depth. Because unconditional love doesn't start with another person, it starts with the way you sit with yourself on your hardest days, the way you forgive your own mess, the way you show up for your own heart without running away. It starts inside. That's why it's rare. Not because it's special, but because most people never look within. If this reached something in you, breathe. You're not hard to love. You're learning the kind of love that heals generations. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more raw conversations like this. And tell me in the comments, what does unconditional love mean to you now? I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Keep smiling. This is Jyotika 3. Namaste.